To run optimized drives automatically on daily schedule in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System, and then select Storage. Tap or click Advanced Storage Settings, and then scroll down the screen. Select Drive Optimization, and then on Schedule Optimization, click or tap Change Settings, and then on Run on Schedule Recommended, click or tap Frequency drop-down menu, and then select Daily. Tap or click OK to save settings. Now, drive are being analyzing on a schedule, cadence, and optimized as needed frequency daily. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.